What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Today, we're gonna unbox some more new products from We The People. So, yeah, let's just dive in. Today, we're gonna use the Gerber Keynote to open this package, if that'll focus there. It is a small little flip blade. Get that open, and look at this. So let's see what we have here. Get into it, this Gerber. And here's the deal. I know what's in here. If you have missed my other videos, I am part of the We The People Pro staff. What that means is they send me some cool items to open up, unbox, and then review for you guys. So let's jump in. This is a good bag. All right, so let's just jump straight to our t-shirt for the month. And let's see. Check it out. Spartan helmet, American flag, Molon Labe. Pretty sweet. All right, so next, let's check out our holster for the month. This one is for my Glock 23 in the waistband. I know that's a big platform to be carrying in the waistband, but sometimes you just got to. So it is in our American flag print. So check that out. Kydex holster in the waistband. Got that clip. It's not going anywhere. All right, next. All right, so if you missed the last unboxing from We The People, we got some bacon jerky. And we got a new flavor this month. We got old-fashioned maple. Last month we got the sriracha, honey sriracha, and it was so good. We're gonna wait just a second, and then we're going to taste that. What else we have here? We got a little sticker in here. All right, so let's get into this. Oh, I thought we were gonna need a knife again. All right. Check that out. That is awesome. All right, so inside our tumbler, we also have some more stickers in there and a card. I think it has a discount code. If you make the purchase and buy something, you're gonna get a percentage off your next order. But yeah, so this is pretty awesome. I can't wait to fill that tumbler up and rock it. And oh yeah. Oh man. Old-fashioned maple. There are 4 different flavors in the bacon jerky. And if you have not gone over there and gotten you some, wow. Guys, nothing is more American. That was something that was in one of the comments of the last video. Nothing more American than bacon, American flags, and we're coming up on the 4th of July. So I'm telling you, get over to We The People, make you a purchase. I gotta turn this off so I can finish eating this. Anyway, the jerky comes in, it's a 2-ounce bag of jerky. I can't remember the price. I'll look it up. I'll put it in the description below. But there will be a link in the description below for We The People. Now, like I said, I am part of the We The People Pro staff. And what that means is, if you click that link, I will get a small commission from the sale. So, highly recommend you get over and check them out. And, yeah, that's all we've got for today, guys. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.